Okay, everybody, this is my live test. I just weed on this stick, and it's been sitting here for about 3 minutes. Not a lot to see right now. So this was the first one I did 3 days post-transfer. You can see the line, but again, I'm taking HCG injections, so you're always going to see a line. I just want these lines to get darker. So this is 3 days past the 3-day transfer, which is 6 days past ovulation. And this was 5 days past. So that's 8 days past ovulation, and there's just a faint line there you can see. And then this is just 3 minutes ago. There'll be a line again because I'm taking the HCG injection. There is a line there. It's really faint, but it's there. It'll probably get darker. So it's not darker yet. I mean, not darker to the point where it looks darker than this one. This was my test with my daughter, when I was pregnant with my daughter. These tests are now almost 3 years old. So, you know, it's, well, not 3 years, let's see, she's 2 years now. So I took these tests, actually when I got pregnant, so yeah, it's almost 3 years now, wow. Anyway, so here you can see a very definitive line. So this one would be compared to this one here, right? Because this was from 8 days, this is 8 days here. So the line, you know, again, this is 3 years old, so it's going to get darker. But, you know, it's not like terribly dark. And then you see here, this one here, which is the 6 days, which again, the line's starting to get a little darker now. That one would be comparable with this one, you know, which is obviously a lot darker. But again, these two are 3 years old. So that's the question here. You know, if I can even use these as comparison because these are so old, I don't know. But either way, if you look at it, this line wasn't that much darker than that one. So, okay, fine. Now, looking at this one, you see here, it's not gotten much darker yet, but I really felt like I might have felt an implantation twinge on this day. So to actually see it get darker today would probably be pretty crazy. So maybe the 7th or the 8th day past, which would be 11 days past transfer. But my beta is going to be on the 11th day, which would be, 11 days past ovulation. My transfer is going to be on the 11th day, which would be 14 days. So we still have a lot of time. I think I'm still in the race. I'm just trying to be positive. So fingers crossed, and testing tomorrow.